Welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to install Visual Studio 2022 in Mac machine. For that, go to google.com and try Visual Studio for Mac. Okay, as soon as you type, the first link will be Visual Studio Microsoft link, where it will mention Visual Studio 2022 for Mac. Just click on that link, and as soon as you click on, you can see the download button. Also, you can see the notification here. It will be retiring on August 31st 2024, because Microsoft is going to end support for Visual Studio Mac 2022 on August 31st. Till then you will receive all the updates. After that you won't receive any updates, but still you can use. It's up to you. But the Microsoft intention is to use Visual Studio Code for C# project in future. So that I will be uploading another video to explain how to install Visual Studio Code and how to run C# projects there. For now, this video we focus on the Visual Studio Mac 2022 installation on Mac. So, okay, once you come here in this way, just click download. Once you click download, you can see the available licensing versions. Community will be free, professional, enterprise, and don't click on this one. This free download will download the Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 for the Windows version. You scroll down, you can see the Mac OS selected here. So you can since we are using Mac OS installation, I'm showing this. Click Mac OS, make sure this is clicked. Scroll down, you see Visual Studio for Mac in the all downloads. Just expand this. As soon as you expand, you can see Visual Studio 2022 for Mac. Okay, just click download. Once you click, sometimes you may see a pop-up to allow the download. Just click allow, and once this is done, then it will start download. Okay, if normally the download will happen automatically. If not, just click retry. When you click retry, you can see the download is getting started. So this DMG file will be containing of 50 MB. So based on your network speed, it will take some minutes or seconds to download. Okay, once it's downloaded, normally the folder will be default on downloader. Based on your setting, you can go to the folder. Okay, I'm going to the folder downloads, and I can see the DMG file here. You just need to double click the Visual Studio for Mac installer. This is the latest version, the stable version, which currently we have as of today. This February 18. Okay, just double click, and okay, just double click, install Visual Studio for Mac. Once this is done, you can see the installation work on install Visual Studio with Mac is an app download. This will be the normal. You can just click open, and you need to install access files in download folders. Allow. If okay, so continue. There will be a pop-up, thank you for downloading Microsoft. Continue, and this will ask for the option what you like to install. Okay, and you can install .NET, and based on your development purpose, you can select the other options as well. For example, .NET, this option you can install when you select the first option, you can run the console application and add .NET API, MVC, all those options. Installation will be here. And if you want to multi-platform app UI, for example Windows, you want to create apps for Mac OS, Android, all those things, iOS, you can install this version. This version is quite high, which has 5.9 GB space it will occupy. Then you, if you want the WebAssembly light version, the Mac OS, all those Android installation, everything you can install, and this can be installed later also. The current installation, you can see the download also 1.2 GB, and I am going to install .NET now. If you want to multi-platform, this also you can install. So based on the selection, it will, the downloaded size will increase, although the also the occupy the storage also will get increased. So I am going to install this .NET Core, .NET alone, which has 1.2 GB. Just click install and update. As soon as you click, you will be seeing this window where it will uh, show the progress of the installation. And here you can see the some links. So by the time, if you want to wait, you can just wait and find out the links to see more. Okay, based on the network speed, it will take some time for this download to complete. And also there is a checkbox over here where it will be ticked, which means as soon as the installation done, this will open Visual Studio automatically. So in case if you don't want to open automatically, you can uncheck, but when you uncheck, you need to go manually and open it, because this will be installed already in the application folder. Currently, if I go to the application folder, here I won't see the Visual Studio Microsoft Visual Studio, no. So but this will, okay, select application. Okay, I don't have only Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio 2022 will be installed after once this is over. Now you can see it is installed. As soon as it's installed, since we check the option tick to open automatically, it will open automatically. Before that, it may sometime ask the administrator password. You just enter your password. Once this is done, you can see this screen, Visual Studio Windows for Mac. Now you can open your existing projects in case if you have any, or you can create a new project to start with. Just click new. So I am going to create a console application first, to just for this demo purpose. Okay, click continue, and I am going to select the target framework. So currently you can see 3.1 out of support 5. So since first installation, it is coming in this way, so you can select 5 for now, and we can install the Visual Studio .NET Framework 6 later. First just click continue, and I am going to show project name demo. Click open and create. Once I create, so you can just double click to maximize that, and you see console application. There is a play button here in the left side. Just click, then you will see the output. So currently you can see it's building demo. Once this is done, you will see output window within the terminal. You can also put a break. Okay, this is coming now. Continue back. Okay, terminal demo. So it is here. You can just drag it out in case if you, so you need to run, just click. This is the terminal window open. Normally this terminal window sometimes will be in the right side bottom, so you can just click dock or auto hide. Dock means, so it will just, currently it is breakpoint is it. I am just removing the breakpoint. Click continue. You can see it is coming here. So when you put select option dock, then it will be in the right side bottom. Okay, so I will put console dot read line the window open. So when I click run now, so you see the terminal window here, hello world. So it is, then I will stop sharing. So then since we have this when we select the new project, it was showing Windows .NET Core 5 because if I go file, new project, and console application, continue, .NET Core 5, because I haven't installed .NET Core 6, because .NET Core 6 will have the full long-term support, and in case if you want to know how to install .NET 6, you let me know, otherwise I will add a separate video to install .NET Core 6 in another video. You can subscribe and click bell icon to get latest videos in the notification. Thank you.